Hello and welcome to another Spaztech tutorial. This tutorial I'm going to talk about how to add things to a Blender project here. And to do that, there's a couple different ways we can do it. Over here in the tool shelf, we are in Blender 2.7, you can go to the Create tab. And in the Create tab, you can click on any of these objects and it'll add it to a scene. But first of all, you have to put the 3D cursor where we want it. And you can go watch my other video on the 3D cursor to learn more about that. But for right now, I'm just going to put that there. And right now, I'm going to put a plane at that location. And you see when I add a object to the scene here, it places it where the 3D cursor was. So I'm going to put the 3D cursor over here. And there's another way to do this. If for instance, if we didn't have this menu open, we could hit Shift A, and it'll come up, and I have different options here. So I can hit Mesh, and I can add a cube. So I'm going to add a cube right there. And now I'm going to put my 3D cursor, let's say, over here. And hit Shift A again, and this time I can add a circle. There we go. And I could add a, let's go cone. There we go. And if I rotate this around, you can see how some of these are 2D objects and some of them are 3D objects. But that's the gist of it. And you can play around with any of these here, and these are the different primitives that you can add and use in Blender to help get you started with whatever it is that you want to create.